So Gonzalo, how do you do a simple animated feature in BonVision?
So to do animations in BonVision, what you want to do is to control the properties of the stimulus over time. And to do this, what you need to do is you can externalize properties of BonVision operators, such as the location, to the workflow. And then you can connect sources of values to change these properties dynamically. And you can do this in many different ways, either with closed loop or with other event sources. But for convenience, for animations, in BonVision, we added this operator called RangeAnimation that essentially works by you specifying a starting point for the animation, an ending point for the animation, and a duration, and the duration for how long it will take to go from the beginning to the end. And for example, if I connect it directly like that, so this will be go from in 1 second, go from -1, which in terms of location y will be the bottom of the screen, to 1, which will be the top of the screen in that second. And if I now play it, the stimulus like that, we'll have a 1 second animation of the stimulus moving like that. And we can control more than one parameter at the same time. So for example, if we wanted, say, to control not just the movement of the stimulus across the screen, but also its size, we could control, for example, the extent of the gratings in both X and Y to make it circular. And we can control that by another range animation. And now our extent, let's say it's going to go from 0 to 2, which means to fill the whole, or even just to 1, it's fine. But let's say it starts at 0 to 1, so it should fill half of the screen in extent. And then again in 1 second. So now if I connect it like that, what will happen is the stimulus will not just go from the bottom to the top, but as it goes from bottom to top, it will also expand its extent from 0, nothing, to covering half of the screen over time. And then, of course, we can use again, we can play with these animations also by using a repeat. So if you wanted to repeat these animations like continuously, we could add the repeat node in there, and then it will kind of repeat that same process over and over again.